All right, guys. I'm starting to grade some quizzes, and I'm seeing the same mistake over and over again. So I'm going to try to, rather than deal with you one at a time, post a video to help you out here. And I apologize for the quality of this video. I'm not at school. I'm at home, and I don't have the arm to hold my my phone or anything. So I saw a couple of people messing up with this right here. Okay, where they're getting to a point where they take the square root of both sides. So obviously, I'm just using an example. If I take the square root of both sides, I get x minus 4, and then the two square roots of 81 plus and minus 9. So you would add 4 to both sides. So the two solutions would be 4 plus or minus 9. I had one student that left the solutions like this, which you can't do, because we can simplify those. Okay, so that would mean we would go 4 plus 9 and 4 minus 9. I also had another student that left their solutions just like this, which again, that's just as bad as leaving it like this. Okay, you can figure out what 4 plus 9 and 4 minus 9 are. So your solutions are 13 and negative 5. These are your solutions. You don't leave it in this form, and you don't leave it in this form, because clearly we can keep going and simplify that down to 13 and negative 5. Okay, so that takes care of a couple of people. Now, I saw a number of people making this sort of mistake. Let's suppose we get to a point where, we have this, where it's x plus 3 halves squared equals 13 fourths, and then you take the square root of both sides. Okay, so we are getting plus or minus the square root of 13 fourths. Now, I have people that are not putting this in simplest radical form. Remember, this means radical 13 over radical 4. So when you put it in simplest radical form, you're going to get plus or minus radical 13 over 2. So then you subtract 3 halves from both sides, and we get here. Now, this represents your two solutions. Okay? So one solution would be negative 3 plus radical 13 over 2, and the other solution would be negative 3 minus radical 13 over 2. Okay, this is the proper way to represent your solutions, okay, here. Okay, and I'm getting a lot of people that are leaving it like something like this, okay, where you don't have it in simplest radical form, nor is it expressed correctly. So go back, check your quizzes, and make these corrections, okay? And I'll wait until later on tonight to take a look at what you guys have done. Okay, good luck with that.